dear students to the maths class. In today's class we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 10, perimeter and area. So open book page number 140. Book page number 140. Okay. Read the name of chapter. It is perimeter and area. Now what is perimeter? Do you know what is perimeter? The boundary of shapes is called as perimeter. Okay. The length or distance of boundary, the length of boundary of wait. What is perimeter? The length covered in one round. The length covered in one round of a shape. The length covered in one round of a shape is known as perimeter. Or one more definition we have, the total distance around a shape is called perimeter. It is a one definition. The other definition is the total distance covered in one round of a figure or shape is called perimeter. Okay. What is the definition of perimeter? Two definitions I have written. Definition: the length covered in one round of a shape is known as perimeter, or the total distance covered in one round. Total distance covered in one round of a shape or figure is called as perimeter. Okay. What you will do? How you will write in your copy? You will write the name of chapter and then you will note down the definitions. Okay. Suppose one park is there. Okay. Suppose one park is there and you want to measure its perimeter. So what you will do? What is the definition? The total distance covered in one round. If you cover the total distance in one round, means you are standing here at this point and you start walking along the boundary. Where you start walking? You started walking along the boundary of the shape. The shape of this garden is square shape, somewhat square, right? Not exactly square. You want to measure the perimeter of this shape. So what you will do? You will walk along the boundary. You will walk along the boundary only, not inside the shape. You will not walk inside the shape. You have started from here and you started walking from this side, again reach to this point. So you covered one round along the boundary. So the total distance covered by you in one round is called as perimeter. Total distance of the boundary covered in one round is called as perimeter. You started from this point, you started walking along the boundary, and then again reach at the same point, again reach at the starting point. So that total distance is known as perimeter of the figure. Okay, suppose this distance is 5 meter, this distance is 2 meter, sorry, this distance is 6 meter, this distance is 5 meter, and again this is 6 meter. So what is the definition? The total distance covered in one round. So how you will get the total? You will add this 5 with 6, then 5, then 6. Means perimeter will be equals to 5 meter plus 6 meter plus 5 meter plus 6 meter. All these lengths you will add them up, okay, to get the perimeter. So perimeter will be equals to, find the total. Total means what we do? In total, to find the total, what we do? We add the numbers, right? We want to find the total distance along the boundary. So we will add all these lengths. So add them. 5 plus 5 is 10, 16, 16 plus 6 is 22 meter. Why I am writing meter here? Because our lengths given in meter. That is why I am writing meter here. Okay. So perimeter is 22 meter. So this is how we find the perimeter. Okay. It is just an example I have given to you. Once again I am repeating the definition. What is the definition of perimeter? The distance or the length along the boundary of the shape covered in one round is known as perimeter. Okay. So in your copy, in your classwork copy, what you will note down? You will note down these two definitions only. Do not write the explanation part what I have explained here. Write the chapter 10, write name of chapter and write these two definitions. Okay. Also write this formula. Perimeter of a shape. Perimeter of any shape is equals to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Learn this formula. It is a formula to learn. What is the formula? Perimeter of a shape is equals to sum of all sides. Perimeter of any shape is equals to sum of all sides. So in your copy what you will note down? You will note down these two definitions and this one formula. Okay. Perimeter of a shape is equals to sum of all sides. You can take this screenshot and later you can note down in classwork copy. Okay. Let us move further. Take this screenshot and write letter. Okay. Now open page number 143. Open page number 143. Now we will do question number 1 of the exercise. So read question number 1. Page number 143. Exercise 10.1. Exercise 10.1. Question number 1. Find the perimeter of the following figures. Okay. One figure is given, right? One figure is given in your book, right? Which figure it is? Which figure it is? It is a rectangular figure. Draw it properly. This side is of 10 meter. This side is given as 12 meter. This side given is 10 meter and this side is given as 12 meter. What is your task in this question? Your task is to find the perimeter. Okay. Just before 2-3 minutes ago, I have written a formula on the board. What was the formula? Formula was perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. We want to find perimeter, so write perimeter as it is. Perimeter is equals to sum of all sides means what? Sum means we need to add the numbers. Now what numbers? So the numbers written on side. The numbers written on side, we will add all these numbers as formula is sum of all sides. So to get the sum, write 10 meter plus 12 meter plus 10 meter plus 12 meter. We have written the length of all sides 10 meter, 12 meter, 10 meter and 12 meter. As we want to find sum, so put the plus symbol between the numbers. Okay. So perimeter equals to 10 meter plus 12 meter plus 10 meter plus 12 meter. Now perimeter is equals to, add all these numbers, arrange all these 4 numbers in column 10, 12, 10, 12. Add them, add all the now digits in the ones column. 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 0 is again 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So write 4 here. Now add the digits in tens column. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So our result is 44. So write 44 here. What unit you will use? Meter is given, so write meter. If centimeter is given, write centimeter. Use the unit according to the question, okay? So perimeter here is 44 meter. It is our answer. See, it is very simple. What we need to do? We need to just add the sides. Add the sides only. Sum of all sides is known as perimeter. So this is how we find the perimeter. Now let us do question number B. In question number B, see which figure is given, square or rectangle? The given figure is a rectangle shape. So draw a rectangle shape. Write the values of the side. This side is given as 18 meters, so write 18 meter. This side is given as 8 meter. Right, 8 meter. This side again 18 meter. And this side is given as 8 meter. A figure is given like this. You want to find the perimeter. Perimeter means what? When we cover the total distance of any shape in one round. When we cover total distance in one round is known as perimeter, right? Or we can say that perimeter means sum of all sides. We can say that perimeter means sum of all sides. So perimeter equals to sum of all sides. Now find the sum of all sides. Perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. The first side is 18 meters, so write 18 meter. The second side is 8 meters, so write 8 meter. Then third side is 18 meter, write 18 meter. And fourth side is 8 meter. What is the formula? Sum of all sides. You want to find the sum, so put the plus symbol between all these numbers. Okay. Now in rough work, add them. Add all four these numbers to get the perimeter. In rough, add these numbers. Add all these four numbers. When we add all these four numbers, we get 52. Which unit we will use, meter or centimeter? We will write meter. Why? Because the given question is having meter as unit. So write meter in the answer also. So here perimeter is 52 meter. So this is how we can find the perimeters of the given figures. Again I am repeating, the formula is perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. Then what you will do? You will write all the sides, put plus sign between the numbers and add them. You will get your perimeter. This is how we find the perimeter. One more question I am doing for you. That is question number C. Question number C, a triangle shape is given. Right, a triangle shape is given. This side is of 7 meter. This side given is 5 meter. And this side given as 10 meter. A shape is given like this. It is a triangular shape. You want to find the perimeter. What is the formula for perimeter? Perimeter equals to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides, first side is 7 meter, so write 7 meter plus. Second side is having 5 meter, so write 5 meter plus. Third side is having 10 meter length, so write 10 meter. We have write the values for all three sides, right? Now find the sum. So perimeter equals to, add all three numbers. In rough work, add them. 7 plus 5 is 12 and 12 plus 10 is 22. So our perimeter is 22 meter. I hope you got how to solve these questions. So question number D, E and F, try to solve by yourself. Okay. So dear students, what we have discussed in today's class, we have started a new chapter, chapter 10, perimeter and area, in which we discussed what is perimeter and we have solved some questions related to perimeter. Okay, the remaining question D, E, F of question number 1 are for your practice purpose. Solve them and check your answer from the back side of your book. Okay, so bye students.